that handle's friggin' hot. The boy and I are getting out of the house. A little excursion, find some wild edibles, whatever. Goof around. That May apples. Usually when the May apples are popping, so are the morels, or starting to, so I don't know, I might get lucky. We're home. I think we're just gonna chill out a minute, maybe have some lunch, and then look for some mushrooms or whatever. There's some nettle right there too. Yeah, nettle everywhere. All kinds of stuff coming up. Plantain. May apples. Mustard garlic. Some trout lily. Feather fell down. Camp marker. There we go. Now I think I'm gonna make some soup. We're hungry. This is kind of a double video. I was tagged by two different people. As the Crow Flies for a trailside coffee, which we'll have later, and by Jay at Wood Pigeon Outdoors of what kind of gear we use. I do a lot of homemade gear. This is my little can stove. And my pack gear now consists of the Hidden Woodsmen stuff. For this, I actually made gear and traded for it with Rocky Outdoors. Thank you, Rocky. And a bunch of other gear I've acquired, just of homemade stuff I've made and traded with other people for gear. But we're gonna heat up some soup and have some lunch. So with this, we're supposed to tag some people and do the same thing, but really right now with everything going on, I hate to tag anybody without asking them first, so if I do think of somebody, or you know, I'll put it in the description below for each video who I'm tagging for it. And yeah, we're just gonna have some lunch and chill out. Thank you, sir. Wish I could put more effort into the video, but with what's going on, we have very limited time, so we're just using the time we have and kill two birds with one stone. You know what I mean? Don't fall over. Ooh, that's treacherous. So back to the tag from Jay. I do a lot of homemade stuff, as he's mentioned in his video. This is all homemade dehydrated soups. This is soup beans that from like last year I dug out of the freezer and just dehydrated it. Boil some water, dump it in there, let it sit 5 minutes. It's like it came right out of the crock pot. It cost me like literally nothing except for the baggie and time and a little bit of electricity. We do a lot of stuff on our own. That way we're prepared and it's cheap. We don't have to spend money. I've got, I don't know, sacks and sacks of dehydrated food just ready to go right now. Probably store-bought. It cost you probably about 200 bucks what I got saved up. Try it out. You just do the serving on a tray and dehydrator with some parchment paper, and bamity boom. I usually always keep my bags. That way I can take them home, wash them, reuse them. Try to anyway. Doesn't always happen that way, but giving it a try. Give it a try. Sounds like it's about to boil. Getting close. Man, that handle's friggin' hot. Oh yeah. Pelicans. How cool was that? I hope you guys get to see that. That was a big flock of pelicans. That was cool, huh? Oh yeah. Look at that. Goodness. Hey everybody. Thanks. I'm gonna warm me up some more water for my coffee and beans. I don't have my trailside coffee. It's pretty easy today. It's just the Folgers. Easy peasy. So if you're new to this channel, the reason I call it outdoors is because we're all over the place. Fishing, hiking, bow fishing, bushcraft, family camping, camper camping, kayaking, fried gumbo, boiled gumbo, shrimp. We're a wreck. We're having fun. It's usually outdoors, so welcome. It's a heck of a ride. The original ultralight stove. A little chunky. I need some new instant coffee. I don't care. The bean just went in my coffee. Oh well. Dark roasted. Let it cool off. Stir my beans. are they?
Pretty good.
Good. A little coffee while my beans hydrate. Oh yeah. Well, I appreciate both of you tagging me. It's a great honor. I really appreciate it. I hope this is good enough for you, but that's all I got right now. So cheers. And we're gonna finish up lunch and do a little scouting around. So if we see something cool, we'll show it to you. There's some nettle. Getting cloudy and actually very nice out now. Kind of getting hot and muggy. I don't think it's quite morel mushroom season here just yet. Boy needs a haircut, so bandana. Thanks, Frank. Nice. Well, there's just some bonus nature trail shots for you people out there that I know are locked down and can't get out. So we're rooting for you. Hang in there. It'll be over soon, hopefully. Thanks for watching.